Here we are at the Poplar Street grade crossing number 2 in Fostoria, Ohio. CSX Willard sub. For this first signal, we have a double-sided WCH base. Walk to it real quick. A double-sided WCH base. Siemens gate mechanism with Safetran counterweight arms. For lights, we have 2 pairs of 12 by 24 inch WCH lights with 2 pairs of 12 inch Leotek EV Series LEDs in them. For the brackets for this pair are WCH. For gate lights, we have 3 pairs of Ricoh 4-inch LED gate lights, and then an NEG E-bell on the top of this signal here. For the first signal, we're going over to the second signal here. We have track view facing west towards North Baltimore, and track view east facing east towards Willard. And then for the second signal, we have another double-sided WCH base, another Siemens gate mechanism, Safetran counterweight arms. For lights, we have 3 pairs actually of WCH 12 by 24 inches with 3 pairs of 12 inch Leotek EV Series LEDs. And then for brackets, we have, for the main 2 pairs are WCH brackets, and for the third pair we have a Safetran bracket up there. And then for gate lights, we have 3 more 4-inch Ricoh LED gate lights. Basically almost the same signal without the bell and an extra pair of lights. So that is the tour for the Poplar Street number 2 grade crossing in Fostoria, Ohio.